Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Hurukuro na Shonga. My name is Maita Shonga, aka Maita, aka Shonga. And I just wanna talk about something that I experience nearly every day. And this is about second guessing yourself. There's so many times when you feel like you want to do something and then you overthink it to the extent of doubting it, and then you won't do it. And I've been challenging myself over the last possibly 2 years to just go for it. I mean, at the moment I am in the UK. I'm on a scholarship. Just the application of that of that scholarship, I did it 3 days to deadline. And had I thought about it, honestly, I would not have sent that application. And to think, I would not have been here. Recording this vlog, for example, is something that I've second doubted myself for a very long time. I started with the vlog during lockdown 2021. And then I kept on telling myself that the quality is not too good. I'm going to make sure that I have podcasting equipment first before I resume doing my vlogs. And then people who had watched it kept telling me that they enjoyed the content, but I always talked myself out of it. And so every day I keep asking myself, what is that thing that I'm holding myself back from? And when I talk to other people, I realize it's the same thing. There are those people who get ahead in life and we wonder, but how do they get ahead like that? It's really because they've put themselves out there. They've just said, I'm going to put my best foot forward. What's the worst that could happen? A no. And even if I don't do it, I still have the no because nothing is happening. Therefore, I have nothing to lose. If it's, for example, a proposal for funding or something, sometimes we look at it, we edit it, we do all these things, so much such that we don't even send the document. We don't even knock on that door. We don't press the send button on that email. We don't press the upload button on that vlog, on that song, on that vlog or anything like that. We do it to ourselves. And you just need to challenge yourself that I'm not going to do that. I am going to actively excel myself by going ahead with the dreams that I have and the vision that I have and the ideas that I have. God planted something in you. He plants something in you nearly every day, because if we were to be honest, how many seeds have we received from God? And when I say a seed, I'm talking about a dream. And when I say a seed, I'm talking about an idea. How many times have you had original ideas that spark an igniting idea? And we've shoved it at the back of our minds or on a notepad somewhere, and it just ended there, picked up dust even. Now, if we look at the different inventions and innovations that are happening now, these are people who are receiving the same dreams and ideas, quite like you, but who are moving on and making sure they realize them. There is something that is within you that needs to be unleashed. There is an idea that has been planted in you that is only original to you, that the world needs, but you're sitting on it. Hey, look, this content that I'm bringing to you, this message that I'm bringing to you, this kind of storying that I'm doing, even as I'm doing it, a part of me is thinking, will anyone watch it? Will anyone look at it? Will someone find value in it? But honestly, if I have found value in it, then it might help another, and that's worth a shot. That is worth a shot. And even if the little that I do, or for example, this particular post only receives 2 views, I would have known that those 2 people have left the site having gained a piece of me. Oh, and how beautiful is it that people may have a piece of you. We are here on this earth to leave a mark. And you can only leave a mark if you are in motion. A pencil sitting there with a pad sitting there, they cannot be called art unless the pencil moves to the pad and the etching begins. The drawing begins. The impressions begin. The expression begins. Some ideas are so big. They're so, oh my God. You know, even as you think about them, you're like, can I do it? But the fact that it is in your head, it means you have the capacity to ensure that they are realized. You have the capacity to mobilize what is needed for them to be mobilized. But if you really are incapacitated to do that, then my word of advice is at least write it down and leave it for others who have the audacity to try to do that for you. The worst thing that you can do is to die with all the ideas, the dreams, and the visions that you have inside of you without ever having shared it with anybody. I think that is tragic. Honestly, I think it is tragic. But it is empowering. It is liberating. It is in love that you go out there, you carry your desires and your dreams and you see them through, and you contribute to your community, to your society, and to this world. It can be simple things. It can be difficult things. It can be a garden. How many times have you thought about, rearranging your garden or planting things, and then you talk yourself out of it? Mother Earth is waiting for you to touch her soils, that she may produce things that will nourish you and the community. Perhaps it is your mind and the ideas that you have, and you're thinking, I'm not a good writer, I'm not a good speaker, but you have all these ideas that you wish you could share with people. You don't have to be a good writer nor a good speaker, just do it. Even if they think it's bad, leave a mark. You owe it to yourself, to your purpose, and to your happiness to do it. So I encourage you to do it. And that's the word for today. I'm Shonga. Thank you for tuning in to Hurukuro na Shonga. Until next time.